Welcome to LV ReLoved. If you are new today, thank you for joining us. And if you're returning, it's so good to see you again. Very interesting style today. This is the Sac Bavolet. It's from the 70s. Isn't it gorgeous? It's a structured bag. It has coated canvas and all brass. It has teeny tiny little feet on the bottom. And the interior is fully lined in leather. It has several pockets, so it kind of accordions on the side. And then in the clasp block, when you open that, it has more pockets, more leather, and this one I imagine was for lipstick as well as a pen. Got some pockets on that side for maybe your compact powder. And on the opposite side is another pocket, and directly behind it is a zipper. Now there's no date code, there's no heat stamp, but there is the Talon zipper inside, which is smooth and everything. This is a gorgeous find. I can totally see it translating well to today. Plenty of room for my other SLGs. My keys will be easy access, and of course for the secure items would be in the clasp lock and safe and sound, my wallet and whatnot, keys, whatever you wanted to do. You could put your hairspray in here easily. It's a shoulder bag. The drop is about 7.5 inches. Easy and comfy over your shoulder. Plenty of room for me. And let me show you how this looks on.